With general elections slated for this summer, the game plans of most political parties have been chalked out and the battle lines have already been drawn. Early reports suggest that polls could be held as soon as mid-April and assembly elections in 3 states are scheduled at the same time. India is gearing up for an election season that promises to hold more than a few surprises.
For some, it's their big debut in national politics, while some fight to retain the seat of power in the centre, and others confident of a victory this time around, as political parties go on overdrive, chalking out their strategy ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. Reports suggest the Lok Sabha polls will begin mid-April.
Finally, it seems that the elections are happening exactly the same time as 2009. 2009, the first phase of election was on April 16th and the last one was on May 13th. A similar date schedule is also being worked out this time round by the Election Commission. Elections are expected to begin mid-April. They'll go on in 5 or 6 phases till mid-May.
Sources say that the final announcement on the dates is likely by the end of February.
There will be a parliament session, a vote on account, just to see the expenditure of the government through during this entire process that government formation is taking place. That is expected to take place sometime in Feb. Of course, another small 3-day parliament session could also take place just to take care of the anti-corruption bills that Rahul Gandhi is talking about.
Assembly polls in Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Sikkim are scheduled around the same time as the Lok Sabha polls. With over 80 crore voter turnout expected this year, the fight for mandate 2014 has only intensified. Bureau Report, Times Now.